Hi there. This training is for basic Instagram users. I'm going to show you the ins and outs of your Instagram profile, how to access live, and also how to access your menus and how to convert your profile to a business profile. So, when you are on the Instagram platform, the very first thing that you might see right here, it's actually your Instagram newsfeed. And so, a good way to get followers, get likes, to get more engagement is to actually engage with your followers, with your audience on your Instagram newsfeed. So, something that I do, I take about 5 minutes a day and I go through my feed, I comment, and I engage with the content. That I have on Instagram. So that is one thing that I think would help you grow more is to actually engage with your audience and engage with their content. So let's go back to your Instagram profile. In order to get there, what you're going to do is click on your little icon. It's at the bottom right side of your profile. You're going to click on your face or your profile picture, so to speak. It's right next to the heart. At the bottom. So the first thing you're going to do is click there. And what I want to show you is sort of how my profile is set up. I have some Instagram highlights here. In my next training, I will show you how to first create these highlights and also the benefits and purposes of branding your account better with these. The next thing I want to show you is my content. As you can see, my Instagram content, it's a nice balance. There is some personal things, date night with my husband. There are some graphics, some quotes, positive testimonials, pictures of me teaching classes and workshops, also client testimonials, my kids. But as you can see, the look, the feel, the tone, the graphics, and also the fonts, the colors are all consistent. Having a consistent look to your Instagram profile will increase your user experience and also add credibility to your brand. It will brand your real estate business a lot better if you are able to use consistency in the look and feel of your content. Another thing that I want you to do is actually when you're on Instagram, you should go here to your menu. And the menu is at the top right, it's the three lines. You'll click menu. And the first thing that I want you to do is click on settings and then click accounts and double check to make sure that your account is a business account. Your account, in order to access your analytics, your insights, to have the Instagram highlights branded on your account, it should be a business account. If you're trying to do any type of business promoting or marketing your brand, you should have a business account. So at the very bottom of this page under account, you're just going to hit switch to business account and that will convert your account to business. And so the last thing that I want to show you is Insta Stories. So Insta Stories and going live and posting things to your stories, it provides a special little icing on the cake when it comes to delivering content to your audience. When you're able to use stories, your audience gets a special notification that you have delivered quality content to them, whether it's live, whether it's a video you've recorded and uploaded to your live, or if it's just a picture. Today, for the purposes of this particular training, I'm going to go ahead and upload an image to my Insta story. So the first thing that I want to do in order to access my Insta stories, you can do this one of two ways. The first way is, as you can see my profile picture at the top left, you can actually click on the plus sign and that will open up your stories. Another way to get to stories, if you hit the home button and then you hit the little, at the very top right on my screen, it looks like a camera. If you click on the camera, that also opens stories. So I do want to show you how Stories here is going to be open on my phone. I'm going to upload a picture. And so I'm just going to access the images that I already have on my phone. These are the pictures that I have on my phone. And I'm just going to simply upload an image here. And so I can type words on this image. Um, Great class. I can also change the colors of the fonts here, or I can actually include an emoji. So you can type maybe something like class or fun or great time or Monday, and different types of emojis will populate within Instagram, and you can include you can include these graphics or emojis in your particular post. And so what I'm going to do is maybe try to find something that's more associated with the graphic. Maybe something that says learning or learn more. I'm going to use the back to school graphic. So what we're going to do is go ahead and post this here, and then we're going to click the word send to, okay? And so you can choose to send this to your story just on Instagram through this drop down button here, or you can choose just to send this to your story on Facebook. And so now that I have sent this to the story, you can click now on my profile picture. It opens up to that story. And now, since I have Instagram highlights icons on my profile, I'm just going to click on that highlights and choose the where I'm going to send this particular Instagram story. So I'm going to actually choose to send this to my workshop highlight icon. And if you are unsure about highlight icons, how to create them, why they're important, stay tuned. I'll have a training coming up next. So I hope this helps. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you found great value from this training. Have a great day.